Hello everybody, Chef Bravo here, Chef for True North Health. Question for you. Have you ever played with one of those Russian dolls, Matryoshka dolls I think they're called? I hope I'm not mispronouncing it. You know, the little doll inside the bigger doll, inside the bigger doll, inside the bigger doll. Well, today I have an offer for you for one of those dolls, sort of. I am offering the Bravo bundle, which is my 3 courses. So it's the little doll inside the bigger doll inside the bigger doll. So that's my 3 courses, which are inside of another doll, of another one, of another one. So essentially, I am partnering up with my good friend Chef AJ. Every year she does this bundle where it's focused on vegan or weight loss or healthy living or something to that extent. And I had something to contribute, which is my Bravo bundle, which is the 3 courses, the 3 little dolls inside the bigger and the bigger doll, which is the 2025 vegan bundle, okay? What that means is that I am offering my Bravo bundle for the lowest price ever. This typically sells for $79.99. The price today is $49.99, so that's $30 off. Each of my courses is, the value of it is right around that $49.99 anyways. So 3 courses for the price of 1, plus, and I mean plus, many, many other great projects that are inside this big bundle, okay? Within this, you'll find projects such as Abby, who does batch cooking. She focuses on batch cooking, which is important so that you can cook once big, amount, and then you have very little to do throughout the week. There is Bill DeCramer, who focuses on burgers and patties and other things. There are many talks by doctors, such as the late Dr. John McDougall, who I had the pleasure to work for a few years. My boss also, Dr. Goldhammer, is somewhere in there, who is in a conference, and he talks about the pleasure trap, which is the big thing for him. Dr. Doug Lyle joins him for a Q&A. So there's a lot of doctor, talks and Q&A sessions. So if that's, your flavor, there's lots of that. If you're into desserts, my courses have dessert sections in there. But there's also cookies and ice cream and other treats that you can enjoy. There's a lady, Lori Laundry. She focuses on sexual health. So that's her thing. And she has a whole thing, cookbook thing geared specifically towards sexual health. And she talks about why each ingredient that she uses helps specifically towards that goal. And there are other things. I think there's yoga things, and there are, I mentioned there's desserts. There's a raw chef in there. So if you are into raw foods, raw chef Jin, she does a great Korean barbecue, which I tried, and it's amazing. So essentially, Chef AJ, who is a great people person, she gets together with all these collaborators. She brings them in, and she puts this great big package together for all of you for a great deal. $49.99. You get all the materials, all the recipes, all the talks, all the conferences, all the worksheets and the shopping list and everything that goes along with it. And it's yours to keep, okay? The catch, of course there's a catch. On March 10th, midnight, the deal goes away. So you want to jump on this. You want to click on that link and get your bundle, because at midnight on March 10th, it goes away, all right? And then the deal goes bye-bye. Don't talk to me, talk to her. She's the one that sets it up that way. It's a great deal. And I'll just say for myself, again, my Bravo bundle, which is the little dolls inside the bigger dolls, that alone is worth 3 times what you pay for this. But then there's all this other stuff, okay? So just for myself, if I was just me saying, hey, I'm here to offer you the Bravo bundle for $49.99, that's a great deal. But then to get everything else that comes along with that in the vegan bundle, amazing, amazing, amazing value. So, I know that I'm sounding a little too much like a sales pitch person. So maybe I'll just tell you very briefly about what you can expect in my courses. I do cooking tech. Well, actually, let me start even before that. How do we set up the kitchen properly? How do we use a knife properly? How do we get the basics like the cooking broth and the therapeutic broth and the Asian broth? Okay, so the very basics of cooking. Then, of course, we start getting into soups and salads and dressings, desserts down the line, and entrees, main dishes, potato dishes, beans, lentils, garbanzos, grains. So I teach a whole lot about all of the, all of my cooking tricks, essentially. Okay. Then my third course, Solutions for a Healthy Lifestyle, that focuses on the mental aspect. How to deal with cravings. How to deal with, hey, I want to be healthy. I want to adopt this vegan diet. I want to do better health-wise. I'm investing in myself, but my family is not supportive. How do you deal with that? How do you deal with cravings? A big one. How to navigate going out to a restaurant. What do you do before and during and after? So I talk about all of that and many, many other things. One of the biggest things that I do is I present, explain, and talk about the stock market diet, which is very helpful for people. The B+ diet. And I don't even remember. My bundle, the 3 courses, is like over 170 videos, somewhere in the 18 to 20 hours total of footage. How to shop. Not only, you're looking at nutrition labels, but if you're in the produce aisle, how do you know a good tomato from a funky tomato? How do you know a good cabbage or a good lettuce from an old one? I cover all of that, both fruits and veggies. So again, 2025 vegan bundle presented by Chef AJ. Great deal, amazing content, even more amazing value. Yours truly included in there. The little dolls inside the bigger dolls. But again, March 10th, offer goes away. So click on the link, get your 2025 vegan bundle.